Yo, what's going on, boys? Welcome back to another sneaker battle. Today we're sizing up two iconic sneakers, the Jordan 1 versus the Nike Air Force 1. Let's see which sneaker takes the cake. Kicking it off with the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Not only is the sneaker a piece of basketball and cultural history, but it's also built for standout style and comfort. The leather upper molds to your foot, offering a personalized fit over time, while the air sole unit in the heel ensures you're stepping soft, making them great for days you want your shoes to speak volumes. Switching gears to the Nike Air Force 1 Low, this sneaker is a quintessential part of any collection, known for its versatility and classic silhouette. The thick padding around the collar and the durable air-infused sole makes it perfect for everyday wear, providing both comfort and style that lasts from day to night. So when it comes to my pick, it's all about the occasion. For daily wear, the Air Force 1s are my go-to. They're comfortable and seamlessly fit with any casual look. But for those moments I want to turn heads and showcase my sneaker game, the Jordan 1s are unmatched. Their eye-catching design and comfortable fit make them perfect for more than just looking good, they feel great too. Now I want to hear from you. Which sneaker do you prefer? The everyday comfort and style of the Air Force 1s, or the bold, attention-grabbing flair of the Jordan 1s? Drop a comment below with your pick. It's your boy Anthony, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!